Hi guys, Brian here from Be Listed. Today I'm bringing you the headlines from the February 2026 Kilmarnock property market update. If you want to read the full breakdown, it's available on our website. Link is in the post description. So what's happening in Kilmarnock right now? Stock levels remain relatively healthy, a little lower when compared to late last year, though still good availability for buyers out there. New instructions have picked up slightly from the quieter winter period, which is typically what we would see at this time of year, but demand is keeping pace, which is pretty good. Sales agreed are holding steady, which tells us that buyers are still active and making good decisions, particularly when homes are priced correctly and presented really well. So days on the market remain higher than the ultra fast pace that we saw during the peak years, but realistically priced homes are still moving pretty quickly. Touching on these figures, I have added commentary on new build developer numbers to this month's report and how that data is having an impact on the second-hand market figures. The summary of that report is when removing the new build numbers from the data, the market looks like a much healthier and stronger place. And by that I mean the second-hand market. So how's the rental market performing in Kilmarnock? On the letting side, demand across KA1 to KA3 postcode areas remains very, very strong, particularly for well-presented 1, 2 and 3 bedroom homes, close to amenities, transport links and ones that are presented well. Supply for these homes is still quite limited and good properties are obviously letting very quickly. Is confidence rising in the mortgage market? Since the drop in base rate announcement made in December, the market has been watching the mortgage rates very, very closely. Headline average figures haven't really moved much, though this is hiding the fact that there are some very, very good deals available relating to fixed rate mortgages. When I done my investigation earlier in the week, I found that you could get rates below 4%, which is pretty good. If you haven't looked in a few months, take some time this week and do your own research. Either reach out to your broker. If you don't have a broker, DM me and I'll put you in contact with a really good local broker. 15-20 minute call might change your life this week, guys. As we head further into spring, I expect a gradual increase in new listings, but also more buyer competition as the confidence starts to build. Overall, the wider Kilmarnock area remains a stable and resilient market. If you'd like a tailored, data-led valuation for your home, anywhere across the wider Kilmarnock area, I'd be delighted to help. Again, you can read the full update on our website. The link is in the post description. I'm Brian from Be Listed. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching.